Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to combine various of my review products here, but the main thing that it's going to be a summer mani using these beautiful turquoise foil arts from SheModern. I love these designs. I'm somewhat calling this design like a beach bum design. I do want to use these flip-flops over here, the smaller ones, and the bathing suit. Isn't that super cute? I mean, these are adorable. And so like I said, this is the turquoise color. Beautiful, beautiful color. And these are the regular, these are not the water decals. These are the regular foil arts that I want to use. I've had these for a while. I've been saving them for a summer mani. And I am also, this is also going to be a review of this tool right here from Born Pretty store. So this one, as you can see, this is how it comes packaged in this nice little tube. So it comes nicely protected. And let me go ahead and get it out of here. I will have the link down in the description. I will have links to several of these products down in the description bar below, so you guys go check them out, as well as any discount codes that I might have. I do have a 10% discount code from Born Pretty store. So this tool right here, I've never used it before. I've never used anything like it before, as far as the sponge applicator for gradients using gels. Yes, I would imagine this, I don't know that I would even attempt to use this with regular polish, because it will dry up and it will probably ruin this sponge. And so with it, if you just use it with gels, you can easily clean it with alcohol. Well, I say that loosely because I've never done it, so I don't know how easy it is to clean, but any gels are removable with alcohol. And this end right here, so this is a jelly stamper. It's not see-through. It will be for small images. We'll see how I do with that. I did notice when I was checking it out, it's cute. It's pink, and it has some itty bitty glitters in there that are part of the, I mean, nothing that you feel, but it is super sticky. It's very sticky, and it does come off of here. Okay, see, it comes off, so you do have to be aware of that. Let me go ahead and pop it back in there. As you can see, it's got Born Pretty's logo right there. Very nice, and the crystals inside. So neat little tool. This is like a resemblance of the one that Bundle Monster has. So I will go ahead and put this to practice first time, and I will be using, so I am, guys, again, following up on my dip powder. I am on, today is day 6 of my second application, my second set of the dip powder, wearing this somewhat of an overlay. And yeah, I did way better the second time around. These are pretty much intact. And as far as, so I am going to use gel polishes for this mani. This orange one by Pure Joy. This is called Orange You Fine. And this yellow, I actually just received this one for a review. I will be having, along with 4 other colors, I will be posting a swatch review on these Madam Glam gels here pretty soon after this. But a beautiful yellow, and this one is called Bonbon Yellow. And I am going, because I do have my acrylic nails, I am going to place this, I'm going to use this Beauty Big Bang latex over my nails, so then I can easily remove these gels and, yep, move on to other reviews. So let me go ahead and get started with this, and I hope you guys enjoy. guys, so now before I show you the final result on the mani, it's time to let's clean this up. Let's see how well this, oh, we kind of see how, look at that, this sponge swelled up. It really soaked up. So what I have in here is just some alcohol. And let's see how this, look at that sponge. That is funny how it swelled up. It really pushed, it really soaked up that alcohol. I think it's funny how it swells up because it soaks up. It's still, I mean, until that alcohol evaporates 100% off of it. There we go. That came out pretty clean. Alright, so let me reveal now the nails. So here's the final look of these. I'm calling these beach bum nails. And yes, I think they turned out super, super cool. I love the yellow and orange. I hope you guys like it. I liked working with this, guys. It was my first time, and you know, to be all honest with you, the first time I saw this, you know, Bundle Monsters version of this, I was skeptical. I was like, well, why will I use that instead of my clear stampers? I like using it. I liked that I was able to, you know, just to pick up that one little section of the image that I wanted to put in these two fingernails right there. And this one worked so well. It's so super sticky, and yeah, it really helped. And so it cleans up nicely with the lint roller and the sponge. I liked you playing with this too. It was my first time. It took a little bit of a learning curve there, creating the gradient with the gel polish, since it was my very first time, but I think I did pretty good. It's quite a different technique than from using regular polish, because regular polish, it dries as it goes, and it builds, the color builds up as the more you dab. With gel, I discovered it doesn't build up the more you dab because it's not drying, right? So yeah, it took a little bit of a practice there. I think by the time when I did the pinky, I did a little bit better, and then I tried coming back here fixing a little bit, but I do like the results. And what do you guys think of the foils? Take a look. I love that shifting with the light on these metallic foils. Super cool. So I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me this cool little tool to play with and review. Remember that I will have links to all the items I used today down in the description bar below, along with my discount codes. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.